Hello everyone, this is Vagatu and welcome back to another maths video. Today I'm going to be explaining what is a function and the difference between that and a relation. So a relation is a set of ordered pairs, so it might be any sort of set of coordinates. It might be 2, -2, 2, 3, 2, -1, 3, 4, whatever. Any random numbers. It's a set of ordered pairs. They're all those coordinates. And that's a relation. So, that it could be linear, it could be quadratic, it could be quartic, it could be in a semicircle, it could be in a circle, whatever. So that's any sort of relation is that. A function, on the other hand, is a relation which each value from the first set of from the set of the first components of the ordered pairs is associated with exactly one value from the set of the second components of the ordered pair. So what does that mean in English? Because, maths rabble, no one understands it. So what it means is that each value here, each x value, or first value, corresponds to only a single y value. So there's only one value of 1 here, and that's 2. There's only two values of 2, one value of 2 here, which is 3. So if this is just a linear, just going along, and then there's 4, 0, which is an outlier, but it's still, part of the function. Then, if we look over here, this one is not a function, because for the value of 2, it has 4 different y coordinates. So 2, in this case, goes to -2, -1, 0, and 1, which means it is not a function, it is merely a relation. So if we want to visualize this, we can see here, we've got this diagram. So in this case, this is a function because each thing only goes to one value. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 10, 4 goes to 10, 5 goes to 2. So as you can see here, two values can go to the same value, but you can't have two values for the first value on the left. So you can't have two lines, say over here. This is not a function, this is merely a relation. As from number 2, it goes to 8 and 15. It can't go to more than one thing, so therefore that is not a function. And if we want to visualize this in a graph, if we look here, we've got this vertical line. So this is not a function, as there are an infinite number of values for the same point, for the same x coordinate, which is infinite is greater than 1. Whereas on this thing here, we have a horizontal line, and there is only one y value for every x value. There's no multiple things. And also, this is the same, so if you have, say, a parabola, that will only have one x value for one y value for any x value. However, if you had a circle, or a circular function, it would have more than one value, therefore it would not be a function. So yeah, I hope that helped you understand what a function is. So in a nutshell, there's only one, so for every x value, there's only one y value, and then it's a function. Hope you enjoyed and found this informative. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. This has been Vagatu, and goodbye.